Hey guys, check out this vilkok picture frame, right? And let me tell you right off the bat, they sent this to me as a gift because I needed the perfect picture frame to put my picture from college in, right? This is fantastic. So let me tell you, when I got this box and I opened it up, now this looked like a high quality present, right? And I pulled this picture frame out. The first thing that grabbed my eyes was the color of this picture frame and the high quality it is, right? So when I'm out in department stores looking for picture frames, they are all the same. They look like the same design and they're made of that cheap wood material, I tell you. And that's not gonna cut it for me. I need something high quality. I need something that's gonna stand out when I have clients and family inside the house, right? So that is the first thing that grabbed my eyeballs. And then the second thing was the way that they designed it. So another thing with us, with picture frames, my wife uses picture frames like this for her business, right? She puts her menus and different QR codes and stuff in picture frames. So when she's putting it up, taking it down, putting it over here, putting it over here, they start to fall apart pretty quickly, and that's annoying. We always gotta buy another and buy another and buy another, but not anymore. This is great. The quality is high quality craftsmanship, right? And it just folds right out. So when you get your picture frame and you pull it apart, you're gonna notice that there's a tint over it, right? That's a protective film over that outer layer. So all you need to do is peel that out, right? And then they also have like this white backing that you put your picture in, right? And then it came included with the cutest picture of a baby and a dog. I tell you, I would have left that out, but my wife would be like, what are you doing, right? So yeah, I put my college picture in here. So this is fantastic and this is great. So all in all, if you're looking to step up your picture frame game, if you want a high quality picture frame that's not going to fall apart after the first few weeks, you know what I mean? If you want something that's going to be high quality, whether you're standing it up or sitting it down, this right here is going to come through for you, and this is going to grow with you and grow with your family over the next few years with all of your special picture moments. So all in all, this picture frame right here is just fantastic.